How to use Canva to make stunning thumbnails for Pinterest. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Canva to make stunning thumbnails for Pinterest. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you'll go to canva.com and you will land on this platform right here. Canva is an online designing tool that allows you to create social media banner, to edit videos, create presentation, logos, and much more. We can also create our thumbnails for Pinterest, which is a very important thing when it comes to a pin, and we can create eye-catching thumbnails for our pin so that we can get more views and traffic to our Pinterest account. So how to do that? It's actually really easy. Once you get to canva.com, you will sign up with your Google account or email address. Once you're done, then this is what you will see. So on Canva, you can see we have different layouts available, or we can select a custom size. Or you can search for a content or a layout right here in the search bar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a Pinterest thumbnail right here. You can see this is going to be the size. You can also go with a custom size for your pin. Now, why I am using the word thumbnail, it's because you can see it is the first image our viewers see and they click on our pin to check out our website or our products. So you can see we have different templates available on Canva, thousands of templates. You can go ahead and actually use a template and customize it. For example, you have something related to this template right here. So you can just edit the text and the photo and you're good to go. You can change the color. So it's actually really good for beginners. I'll show you how to create a pin from the scratch. So for that, we will have to select a blank canvas from here. So here we are inside our Canva, and I'll show you how to create a pin. So for pin, you can go with a video, because if it's like a 5-second video, then you can create a photo, a thumbnail right here, and you will be able to use it as a thumbnail, or you can just go with a simple pin for your Pinterest. Today, I am going to be creating a pin about a travel blog that I have written. I want to create a pin about it on my Pinterest. So for that, you can see we have different inspirations available right here. And we can see the templates. Then we have elements on Canva. In elements, you will be able to add lines and shapes to your Pinterest thumbnail, graphics, stickers, photos, videos, audio, charts, tables, frames, and grids. So this is where we actually work most of the time, because this is where we find a lot of cool elements to add. Then we have upload. This is where you will be uploading the images and the videos from your computer. Just click on upload file and you will be able to do so. Then we have text. Of course, text is an important part of a Pinterest thumbnail. Then we have styles and logos. So let's get started. First of all, what I'm going to do is I will be actually adding 4 images in the background. So for that, what I will do is we can either go with a grid right here. I'm going to check all the grids available to see the one I am looking for. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one right here. So it will be added to my pin right here. Now we need to add photos into it. For that, I'm going to go to the element section and search for travel. In travel, you can see we have all graphics and photos. So I'm going to switch to photos right here. You can also search for a destination and then add the images right here. So I'm going to select this image and add it right here. So I have added the images right here. It's really easy. You just select the image and you move it to the layout there where you want to add it. So if you want to adjust the image, you just double click on it. And if it's too big, you can just select the portion you want to add to the layout. So this is the one I am going for. It looks pretty good. Moving on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually, you can see the background. So we can actually change the background color as well, or you can see the lighting that we have. So we can change it to any other color. You will select the and upload the images you want to add. Moving on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, and then we're going to click on edit image, click on see all, and make it a little blurry, a little bit, for example. So here we have 2. Similarly, I'm going to make this one a little blurry. Once it's done, I'm going to add the square right here and place it kind of like in the middle right here. or we can go with a white color. So I'm going to change the color and it'll be white. Now we can move on to the text, add a heading. So for heading, I'm going with, so this is the title for my pin. We can actually change the line spacing a little bit. Place our text in our box right here. Make it a little bit smaller. Okay, perfect. And now let's change the font. Select the font from here. And I'm going to go with this one. All right, let's change the color for our text. Perfect. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to do another thing, which is going to be adding another square just to give an outline to my square right here. So I'm going to right click, send to back. All right, perfect. So this is what my pin looks like. Now we can do a lot with it. If I click on elements, I just wanted to go with a simple one. But we will go to the elements right here, and you can see we have a bunch of cool graphics to add. For example, this one, and I can just like, add it here. So if you want to go with an animated kind of pin, then you can select the graphics from here. We have stickers and much more. Once the pin is created, you're going to click on share, or you can share it directly to Pinterest from here, or click on download. Click right here and your thumbnail will be downloaded for Pinterest. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.